Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at Orion Protocol, specifically ORN against USDT. I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. With that being said, I also want to mention the Telegram chat that I have going on. It is great. People are joining in, sharing their experiences, sharing great tips for newcomers, and sharing low cap projects that may potentially explode in the future. So you don't want to miss that out. So go into the description and join in via link. And as you can see, we have the fib up on the weekly chart on Orion Protocol. We peaked out over here at $30. We still have our $38 price prediction. That is the 1.414 extension on the fib. And right now we're hugging the 0.786 and we're not losing it as support. That is great. If we are to lose it as support, and if Bitcoin comes back down to the low 30Ks or even to 28K, then you can potentially see Orion coming back down to those low points. But right now, if we are to take out the RSI, as you can see, look at this, we were so oversold at 95. It was inevitable that we would come back down. Then we had this little bull trap over here, and then we went back down again. So now we are looking healthy on the RSI. The indicators have reset, and now we can start growing organically. So that's it for the weekly. Let's jump into the daily chart right now. So, okay, on the daily, basically what is happening right now is you could kind of say that we have formed this double bottom over here on the daily. Let me just zoom in. So basically this was the first bottom and this was the second bottom. Now we're starting to move up and then we went back down. So you could even say that this is a triple bottom pattern. And this is a very bullish pattern. We need to break $8.65. That is the neckline of this pattern. Once we do that, then we can start moving up. And basically how you measure this is from the neckline and to pretty much to the lowest point where we have. So a breakout would see us go above the 55 EMA on the daily, which we want to see because right now, currently, we are in a bear market for Orion Protocol. So that would put us somewhere around $11.74 or $12. But I do have this $11.74 target, and I will tell you why I have that in a minute once we go to the 4-hour chart. But as you can see, we have these ascending triangles playing out. So this $5 all the way to $6.77 is a great buying opportunity. If you see the price going anywhere below this price, then you might want to start thinking about putting some more money into Orion because those prices would be good. As you can see, not a lot of volume coming in. We need more volume. The RSI looks good. We are moving a bit sideways right now, and Bitcoin's really uncertain what it wants to do. But we have made a bullish cross on the MACD, which is great. As you can see over here, the signal line was crossed by the moving average from below. That creates a price surge, and that's how you can expect a move to the upside, basically, using the MACD. I do apologize if I sound a bit different. It's just that I was sick for a few days, and I'm still recovering, but I'm feeling better, so no worries. Yep, so that is it on the daily chart. As you can see, we're also adhering to this support line that is more visible on the 4-hourly chart, which we are going to get into right now. So we are on the 4-hourly, and I have marked off this area once again. As you can see, if we go anywhere below that, then put some cheeky bits into Orion. As you can see, we are adhering to this support line over here, this horizontal support line. So you can look at that as great support if I just adjust it a little bit. So ignore the wicks. Basically, we want the full candle, the full body of the candles closing. That's how we see the support line. So also we are preparing for that bullish cross on the 4 hourly. As you can see, the EMA is turning to the upside. So basically we had a bullish cross over here on June 6th, was it? Or am I mistaken? June 3rd, I apologize. June 3rd. And we went back down with the Bitcoin correction afterwards. So we want to solidify above the 55 EMA. We want to drag the 20 EMA above. As you can see, so it crosses the 55 EMA like that. And that means we have a bullish cross, and that means we are starting to turn things around, and we're starting to come out of this bear market, because ideally you want to stay above the 200 EMA. And the 200 EMA at the moment on the 4 hourly is $9.70. So that would be a strong resistance. So for example, if we were to come into this price range, then we might get rejected. So if you are a swing trader, then you can look for that price to sell off perhaps and buy back in at a lower level. So as you can see, we have this strong resistance level at $8.54, and we do have a strong resistance at $8 pretty much. So as you can see, we're hitting our head, but we don't want to go vertical. We want to stay, organic and healthy basically. So keep that in mind. And overall, I'm bullish on Orion protocol. I know we are in a downtrend. I know it's all because we were in an unhealthy rise. We were completely oversold. So stake your Orion protocol, swing trade it if you want to. I'm swing trading it at the moment, and just increasing my positions in general. And we do have these two triangles playing out. So the first triangle is over here. As you can see, the one below that, we can measure the breakout target. For example, if we're breaking out right now, then that would put us at $9.50. So that would pretty much be around the area where we have the 200 EMA. So I'm going to keep that as our target. If we were to break down, then that would be somewhere around to $5.80 to $6. So you can target that, but a breakdown is not very likely because we are being, tightened up, and we're being kind of squeezed to the upside. But a breakdown is also possible, but I don't think if we were to break down, we would break down this low. I think if we were to break down, we would bounce off this support level at $6.77 basically. So keep that in mind. Now, if we were to break out of this first triangle into the second triangle over here, the larger triangle that we have, and the breakout out of that would be, that's how you do. So from the part where it was formed and all the way to the downside of the lower part of the triangle. For example, if this was the breakout, let's say somewhere around here, then that would put us at $10, almost $11, guys. So that target was a different target that I talked about initially, $11.74. So forget about that one for now. We're having a couple of targets right now for Orion protocol. Keep all of these in mind. We're definitely going to hit our head on the 200 EMA quite a lot. I do think, but we still have a lot to go through before that happens, and we need Bitcoin to steady up a bit. If Bitcoin indeed is following a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, then there is still possibility for us to come below the 30K range and into the 28K price for Bitcoin. But we'll see how it goes, guys. Do let me know if I missed out anything on the charts. A couple of bullish patterns over here playing out great, a triple bottom on the daily, and these two triangles on the 4-hourly chart. So we'll see, guys. I am very bullish on Orion. I think we're gonna see Orion go well into the 100+ price range towards the end of the year. So we'll see how things go. Let's hope this correction is going to end very soon. I do thank you guys for all the comments, all the support, and all the likes. I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye and good night.